right, so fourth drawing of the week is 3 new objects. Toss your mug. I mean, no, not literally, but like put your mug away, put your small object away, put your big object away. I want you to choose 3 totally new different things. I've chosen a bowl. It has like a suction cup on the bottom because my daughter's a disaster when she eats. I have an Easter egg and I have a banana. So all 3 of these objects are upstairs and I'm in the basement and I did not take a photo of them, so roll with me on this one. So for this next drawing, I just want you to, you know, kind of start from scratch. I want you to look at the different relationships of these objects with each other. When they're 3 new things, try to pick things that are kind of like varying in size. Like my banana was my big object, my Easter egg was my small one, and my bowl was kind of like my medium thing. So I want you to try to draw these 3 objects in proportion now. Obviously, I am not with you. Obviously, you know, I'm not going to make you like upload a picture of what it is that you were trying to draw, unless you want to. I mean, for any of these, if you want to upload your drawing next to like the objects kind of side by side. So if you want me to give you some feedback on like maybe what could be fixed or whatnot for the future, feel free. But I mean, I know what a banana looks like, I know what an Easter egg looks like. So if you're trying to draw it, I can kind of like, you know, get that sense here. So looking at my drawing, even though I don't have the object still in front of me, let's look at some like relationships of like length and height. So I have my Easter egg here from end to end. Wouldn't you know, this banana is like 3 Easter eggs long. The height of my banana, or I'm sorry, the height of like my Easter egg here, my thickness, is about the same width as my banana. The like height of the Easter egg is about the same as the height of the bowl here. The bowl itself is about 2 Easter eggs, I mean like a little bit shy, 2 Easter eggs wide. So if I'm basing everything on a measurement, if I draw my egg first, then I could figure out how long I need to make my banana, how, you know, like tall and wide I need to make my bowl. Like all of these things have relationships with each other. If you pick one object to start with, in my case the Easter egg, and then you expand your drawing out from that, if this object is drawn correctly, like the proportion of itself, you could figure out the size of everything else in your composition based on that one object. That's what's got to happen here. That's the gold part of this. That's what you want to try to figure out, you know, how to do. So again, drawing number 4, 3 totally new objects, you know, in proportion. You don't have to do all these like funky color-coded lines. Just make a nice contour drawing. So keep all those things in mind, especially the things that I talked about in the very first video of like commonly like done wrong things over the last couple weeks, especially if you're one of those people. They're really easy things to fix. Proportion, again, is a challenge. It's hard for me to not sit next to you and, you know, kind of adjust based on like what we're both looking at. So I'm just gonna kind of gotta roll with what you see and how you're interpreting it. So yeah, so all 4 drawings, you could just upload them to each assignment as they are posted onto Classroom, and these are due at the end of the week. So 4 drawings due by the end of the week for this week. God, what week is this? I don't even know. Time means nothing anymore. So yeah, email me if you have any questions. These drawings should each take, I don't know, maybe like 15, 20 minutes. Like, don't pick a really elaborate the don't pick something like you don't have to draw. Like, I'm not drawing this like heart design on my mug. I'm not drawing the label on the box. Like, don't go like crazy. They shouldn't take you like 2 hours to do each of these drawings. I know you have other things to be doing, so yeah.